Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how to use Xbox Game Bar on Windows 11, and it will be a step-by-step video. It is an awesome tool for recording, capturing screenshots and monitoring your PC while gaming. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to open your Xbox Game Bar. Like you can open it through like using Windows plus G on your keyboard, like Windows and G, and it will open here. As you can see, it already been opened. The oval will appear on your screen with different widget for recording, audio, performance and more. Make sure game bar is enabled. If nothing happens when you press Windows G, check if it is turned on. You just need to go to the setting, gaming and Xbox Game Bar. Then make sure open Xbox Game Bar using the button on a controller. Then the toggle switch are turned on. So here you can see, here we have this screenshot options, we have this recording options, and you can on the mic and many more things you can do it. You can see the performance also. So now you just need to come over that place and record your screen or gameplay. To record, you just need to click on Windows plus G to open the overlay, then click the capture widget camera icon. This one is for the recording, and you just need to click the record button or just press Windows Alt plus R to start recording immediately. To stop recording, like if you click over here, it already been screenshot has been set. So for the recording, you just need to click over here and your clips are saved in your capture folder under videos. So here let's try to it. You just need to click over here and you can see restart new recording, stop the current recording. You can see already been started. If you click over here, it already been saved. So you will find out in your under the gallery. So if you like, you can also take a screenshot by pressing Windows plus Alt plus print as CN, or by clicking the camera icon in the capture widget. Screenshots are also saved in capture folder. So you can pin the widget, like you can pin widget to stay on top of your screen while gaming. Just click the pin icon on any widget and it will stay visible even after you choose or close the overlay. And that's it for today. Now you know how to set up and use Xbox Game Bar on Windows 11. If this helped you, hit the like button, subscribe and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.